doubt, so gone. Hit the blunt twice and pass it on. Don't mess up rotation, nigga, come on. I don't lack, I never yawn. Brush a low, I don't need a long. Fuck is so good, she made a song. Smell my weed, and niggas come along. I pull over, I have my gun and nothing's wrong. Then I be on my way, fuck a blunt, just to be on my lane. 10 year sentence to my dad, man, this shit insane. All I want is money and for niggas to know my name. Yeah, I want that fame, no cocaine, just that flame. I put your guts up in name. Show these fuck niggas you ain't playing. This ain't a game, you don't like me, man, I feel the same. Might light a blunt, man, I'm just saying, I'ma get bacon. Cut the blunt, I'ma start breaking. You got the wrong nigga, you mistaken. I want this money, I'ma start chasing, no waiting. You could keep hitting, but I ain't changing, I ain't stopping. I'ma keep accelerating. Now, know your facts. Smoking packs at the packs, just so I can relax. Roll a blunt and put some wax. Y'all niggas all wet. Put some heat to your back. Got your bitch clapping her ass on my ball sack. Music too low, turn it up. Started from the bottom, making my way up. On a cloud so high, we too loud. Got everyone's attention, I made a crowd. Now let's get it, don't turn it down. You should know better. Put money on your head, call it cheddar. When I'm stressed out, I light a J and I feel better. And I'm hot, don't need a sweater. Fuck with you, nigga, never. Put my mind into this, I'ma get clever. If you lose me, you won't see me never. Just a normal day, just like every day. Got this blunt burning halfway. Going on this trip, I'm going away. I don't need no fake niggas, ain't worth my time. Feeling low, I need a line. Hit it from behind, put a beat